Okay, start. Okay. Hello everybody. It's Wajex here, and today I'm gonna introduce some things what guys will learn in this mentorship, and gonna talk about market daily market breakdowns. Okay, so let's start. So in this mentorship, I'm gonna teach you guys how do I trade. Very easy. Very simplified without any brain damage, because most of you are struggling because you don't know what model to use in trading. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna teach you daily PDRAs, and of course this will be higher time frame, lower time frame PDRA, market maker X model, which means market maker buy or sell model, smart money divergence, smart money tool, or smart money technique, whatever you want to call it, and very solid market structure shift pattern, which I do use, and I'm going to teach you guys, and of course POI, point of interest, which will be fair value gap, order block, mitigation block, breaker block, and another price levels. Okay, Judas swing, which is what is very important in trading, and classic buy and sell day template, and algorithm, of course, which is consolidation, manipulation, expansion, and retracement. So I was going to teach you this model to you guys, but I decided to add weekly cycle, of course, right here, weekly cycle, and I forgot to add kill zones right here, which will be London and New York. This will be London Open, of course, because I do trade London Open. It's pretty easy to trade. So I'm gonna explain today's trade, which we lose, as you can see. So today's market was pretty unpredictable, to be honest, because I was expecting bullishness. I will explain why I was expecting bullishness. So if you didn't watch also ICT 2022 mentorship, I also recommend to watch it because it's basics there. Okay, I'm going to explain everything here, but I also recommend to watch it. Okay, so we have this Sunday opening price right here and Friday closing price right here. This is a new week starting opening up. Okay, this is our equilibrium level right here. Okay, so we also had this here 4-hour bearish order block, bullish order block. I'm sorry. Give me a second. As you can see, we had this bullish order block right here. So this order block bearish candle formation means that smart money are accumulating long positions. Okay, so now let me quick main threshold. That means 0.5 level of order block right here. Gonna explain. This is only trade explanation. Okay, this is not teachings. It's only trade explanation. Why did I lose this trade today? Because we had 2 weeks winning streak. So as you can see, this is algorithm, guys. This is a proof that these concepts work. This is how banks trade. Okay, what is the liquidity? Liquidity is money. So when price taps into this new week opening gap, consequent encouragement, that means 0.5 level of this new week opening gap, price consolidates right here, manipulates, taps into this 4-hour bullish order book right here, clears out this equal low stop loss right here. We also had a 1-hour BPR right here, which I will explain later in the mentorship. I will explain everything there. We had this market structure shift right here, price rallies and takes out this equal lows liquidity. So you may ask, what are the equal lows? Equal lows are market prices where the liquidity hides. Okay, so you need to trade the reversal of the retail traders. Okay, because they are selling from here and putting their stop loss above these highs. Do you know why? Because they see this price level, because they think because price rejected from here and made aggressive displacement here, this is a resistance, okay? So they take a short positions right here on this line, and wait. So they take a short positions here, and they put their stop loss above this high, okay? As you can see, price taps into it, gets them out, and then smart money sells. So this is a liquidity sweep pattern. I will explain everything in the mentorship, okay? So so Tuesday, price retraces there, taps into Sunday opening price, and this is also a CB, BC. As I know, if I remember, wait, give me a second, please. Let me go. Yes, we have this 1 hour BC right here, which is a buy side imbalance and side inefficiency, which is fair value gap, 15-minute chart. So as you can see, this is an algorithmic, guys. Price hits Sunday open price and 4-hour point of interest. Makes a shift in market structure and rallies. Okay, so you need to focus and think what is market doing. You need to see, because you will see this right here, this trend line. Okay, so you need to think what retailers are doing here. Okay, they are selling here because this is our engineered liquidity, guys. This is our engineered liquidity. Price rallies up and takes out this buy side liquidity, as you can see. You see, as I said, equal lows, guys. Equal highs. 2 equal highs right here, 2 equal highs right here. Price takes out it. You may also see this as relatively equal highs, okay? So price takes out this again, and boom, rallies up. So you can't catch every move in the market. So let's go on the this trade right here that I took and take a loss. As you can see, we had this low, old low right here, and price just swept this liquidity right here. Let me go 3-minute chart. So as you can see, we have this high where price made a big displacement and cleared this lows right here, and price retraced. So we have this fair value gap right here. Price respected it and made aggressive move here and make a shift in market structure. Okay, so we also had a smart money divergence with GBP/USD, which was my confirmation, and I was looking for 50, 20 pips run here on the London close session, because you don't need to find more pips in the London close session. Of course, I will explain everything in the mentorship. So we entered right here. First, price just made a big move and then drops and take us out. Okay. So I dropped this on the technical analysis chart right here, as you can see how price reacted. Wait. So this was high resistance liquidity run. Okay. Price take us out, as you can see, and then starts moving. So I'm not a big fan of trading in the London close, but price actually make reversal in the lunch hour. So I usually do trade New York open and London open. Okay. So this was our introduction and trade explanation today. And next video will be about market structure.